Hi everyone, this is Lacey here, and I'm here with a swap that I was in at Creating the Crafty Life. The Birds of a Feather bought together tag swap, and this comes from my swap partner, who is Christy. And it's a pretty card. It has a gold peacock on it. And Christy, I want to thank you for swapping with me. I really appreciate it. Okay, and Christy has sent some extra goodies with her tag. She sent some ribbon with hearts on it. And some purple bling, some blue bling, and this really pretty seashell, and some trim. And thank you for that, Christy. I really appreciate it. And this is Christy's tag. And here's her tag, and it says "Laugh Out Loud." And it says, "True friends are those who care without hesitation. Remember, without limitation, forgive without any explanation, and love with every little communication." That is so pretty. She's got her bird here and some flowers here. She has a key down here. She's also made 2-stick pins, and this is the back of the tag. She has this trim on it here, and it says "Beauty." And it says "Handmade by Christy Petrie" on the back. Beautiful tag, Christy. Again, thank you so much for swapping with me. And I want to thank everyone for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And have a great day.